Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent drop here for Bitcoin. We dropped around 4k in 2 hours. We can see here this is quite a severe drop right here. 3% drop in just a matter of 3 hours basically. Now we are on major support, so this support line here has to hold. If we're not going to hold, we are going to see lower price targets like the $118,000. So right now it's very important for Bitcoin to hold this support zone. We can see here on the 15-minute charts we are already oversold a little bit. Just check it out on the 4-hourly. We are not oversold yet, so it's still patience time. I already mentioned in my video yesterday that the market is overbought right here. The RSI was at around 83, and I said we might have a little bit of retracement coming, and we can see the retracement is happening right now. That's why I took some profits in the video yesterday. I'm quite happy with that decision. Right now, I'm still not gonna enter. I already have quite a lot of positions right here. You can see I have 13 positions open. Some of them are massively in the profits, like my Bitcoin position here, over $20,000 in profits. Some of them are in the red, so I might add some more to it. I think this is a good opportunity to buy some more Vine. This is the Vine token from the Vine founder, the social media platform from years ago where you could make 7 seconds videos. Now IMX, I took some profits yesterday. The tower trade was actually in the profits today. Would have been good to scale it out, but let's see. My price order, we can see was very close actually. We can see we almost touched it. My price order was at 355, my limit sell order, and we just went to $354, which is not so bad. I still think we will probably take these profits right here, and then I can deleverage my position because I added a little bit too much margin to this position. You can see I added around $17,000 in margin to this position, which is a little bit too much. I was a little bit too bullish, and now I'm waiting for a good opportunity to take some of this margin out and deleverage. Now we also have to talk, guys, about position sizing. This is a very important skill to know. Don't use too much margin. Always try to use 1 or 2% for a trade. Don't use more. There's endless opportunities in the market. Nothing is running away from you. So it's very, very important that you are not over leveraged. And a good rule of thumb is that when you cannot sleep, when you have an open position, that's the time when you should deleverage. And with that, you can take some of the stress out and you'll sleep much better. You'll make much better decisions in the future. So it's very important for you not to use too much capital for one position. There are endless opportunities in the market. You can open another position the next day and the next week and the next month and also the next year. It's very important that you're protecting your capital. If you use, let's say, 100% of your capital and you have one wrong decision, you don't have any capital to work with afterwards. So it's very important that you protect your capital and uh, stick to the 1 or 2% rule. So if your portfolio is 100k, I would open maybe $1,000 or $2,000 margin trades. It's very important to learn this. If you're using too much margin, you are basically already gambling because the emotions are going so crazy when your position is going up and down, and you need to be careful with that. If you have small positions, you have your emotions under control and you make much better decisions. Now let's go over here and talk about Ethereum. Here we have it, Ethereum over 51k in profits, quite nice, with a little bit of a drop on Ethereum as well. We dropped from $4,736. Let me quickly showcase it to you here. So we dropped around 6% on Ethereum in just a matter of couple of hours. We have to be careful, guys. The market is very volatile. Today is also full moon, so it's probably going to be even more volatile than usually. Need to be very careful. For now, we can see we are on the way down, so I wouldn't open a position yet. I would wait for the RSI to get into the oversold zone, so we might see another dip. We might see also a nice relief rally here and then continue the drop. So I think the market will probably move into the oversold zone very soon, probably at around $4,200 dollars for Ethereum. Let's see if we are not gonna have a massive pump that's would invalidate this. So for that we have to go above the 4,700 again. Let's see if that will happen. We can also consolidate sideways and our side will cool off as well. We don't have to go, but we can see here strong support at 4,235. That's it for Ethereum for now. Let's check out the altcoin markets a little bit, and we can see most of them are in the red today. -3, -5, -6%. So quite a significant drop, and I have to say this just happened in the last 4-5 hours, guys. Before the US market opened, everything was in the green, and after the US market opened, basically everything went downwards. Why is the US selling? This is a big question that we have to answer. There is also this US shutdown rumor, so let's see if that will happen or not. I think many people will buy more Bitcoin in this case, but we might see some short-term volatility, so don't use too much margin. It's very important, guys. I say it again, don't use too much margin for your trades. Keep your trades small and stress less. It's very important for your trading decisions. Now let's see, we are going actually below $4,500 right now, so I don't know, should we trade some more profits? Let's see, do we have some profitable positions that we can scale out? Actually, let's take some profits on Ethereum, guys. Why? Let's do it right here. I have around 40 Ethereum. I want to sell 2 Ethereum right now. Here, 2, and let's close it. Right now I took another 2k in profits, which is quite nice. Then here on the Vine, I want to add some more to my Vine position because I'm very on this. This is a high risk position, guys, so you need to be very careful. We can see we are almost in the oversold zone. Let's go, and here let's add some more to this position, and again. Okay, very nice, very happy with this. Now we wait. Let's see, IMX, I'm happy with it. This is the top position. I would have liked to take some profits on this position today, but as you know, I only trade during my videos and my limit order didn't hit. It can happen. Also, we can see here Cake, guys. Cake is doing massively well, so let's take some more profits on Cake, guys. It's very here, $4.12 on Cake. We've been trading Cake for a very long time. Let me take some profits here. Over $12,000 in profits on the PancakeSwap trade, which is quite guys. If you have been following my videos, we opened this trade just a couple of weeks ago, and it's now already massively in the profits. Now, if you want to trade like I see me do here on the VX platform, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Take advantage of this opportunity. Start your trading career today. You can start with $100, what you feel comfortable with. Stick to the margin sizing rule, so don't use more than 1 or 2% of your margin for trades, and everything will be good. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.